Alright, so in today's video, I'll be going over the reasons why I'm joining Trading 212 from Freetrade and just giving an overview of both the apps and comparing them, but what they both have to offer, and obviously giving a general review of them both at the end. But mainly, it's my reasons why I'm switching from Freetrade to Trading 212. Before we start, guys, definitely consider subscribing. We're going to get to 2k subs. Also, if you like what you see, definitely consider smashing the like button and leaving a comment as well. It really helps the YouTube algorithm, but you already know all that already. So as you know, guys, I'm moving from Freetrade to Trading 212. I'm in the process still at the moment of getting the funds transferred over. So I'm just going over a few things here. So now on the screen you can see my list of why I'm joining Trading 212. So number one is free stocks and shares ISA. So basically Trading 212, you'd have to pay a fee for owning an ISA. With Freetrade it's £3. Also Pi investing, which I'll get into a little bit later on, which is basically like owning your own ETF within your portfolio, which you can add your own stocks to, but obviously, like I said, I'll get into that. And the next one is my personal opinion. I think there's a better app layout on Trading 212. Again, nothing against the Freetrade one, I still like that, but there's just something about the graph and just how you maneuver around the app. It just seems a lot more organized. More and better stock information. Again, there's a lot more detail with regards to PE ratios and company descriptions, etc. within the app, so you'd have to go to third-party apps and get that information. Next, we have is REITs in ISA. So REITs as a dividend investor, I can't get them in the Trading 2 and the Freetrade portfolio at the moment. They're non-ISA only, or Freetrade Plus only, I think. So in the Trading 212, obviously they have full REITs within the ISA accessible. Obviously, REITs have to pay out I think it's 90% of their income out to shareholders. So usually monthly dividend payers, so that is good. And the last reason, no FX fees. That's the foreign exchange fee, which basically is the percentage you get taken off if you're basically invested on a American stock, or basically not a UK stock, basically. So they're my first reasons, guys. So next we'll just take a look at what Freetrade has to offer. So as you can see, basic orders are free, instant orders are also free, but I think it is only UK stocks we can buy, so we can do instant trades. UK ones you do have to have a Freetrade Plus or wait until the 3 PM deadline. So also in general investment account, which is free, which you can see the stocks and shares ISA is £3 a month, which can put some people off. I know it did put me off a little bit, but I already had an account with Freetrade at the time before they started charging for the ISA. You also have a spot rate FX fee of 0.45%. It's on M&A, the little fee you get taken off when you buy a US stock, and it gets taken off with your dividends as well. And also free bank transfer outgoing. So that's just the basic layout of the Freetrade app and what you can get. But we get a bit more into detail now. We'll take a look at what Freetrade Plus has to offer. So Freetrade Plus is $9.99 a month or £10 a month. So it has everything in the existing Freetrade account plus more stocks, limit orders, stop losses, which you can sell a stock, I think, before it gets to a certain before you lose money, basically. Priority customer service. So you'll probably, if you do have a query within Freetrade and you message the customer service, you'll get a reply quicker than somebody who's not using Freetrade Plus, I'm assuming. The stocks and shares ISA included in this, so you don't have to pay the £3 additional on top of the £10 a month. It is included in this. And the created stock collections. So again, guys, I'll go into it when I show the Trading 212 side of it. A lot of these in the Freetrade Plus section you do get with Trading 212 for free. So we'll take a look at Trading 212 now. So you can invest with as little as £1, and they have 700,000 people already joined. £0 commission investing. A free stocks and shares ISA with over 6,000 global stocks and ETFs available. With fractional shares, again, Freetrade has that. No FX fees, unlimited instant trades, so you can trade any stock there and then. You don't have to wait till the market closes. And also the auto invest in pies. The auto invest in pies is basically, it's like owning your own ETF. You can add slices to it with whatever stock you want, and each stock equals a slice. So you can also set a percentage to how much you actually want in a certain stock. So if you say invest £100 a month and you have 10 stocks, you can set the percentage so you can have 10% in each stock going in every month. It's a really good feature to have. It's separate from your normal investments as well. So if this is a sort of good thing for growth, if you want to you use the FANG investing option, for example, you could do that with the pies and have your dividends automatically reinvested, and also have automatic investments each month go out of your bank. Also, a new feature on Trading 212, they have the hotlist, which is literally out this week. These are both new features, but the hotlist is literally out yesterday, I think. So it basically shows how many users own a certain amount of stock. So there's 93,000 people invested in Tesla, which is the top, 81,000 Apple, 62 Amazon, etc. So you can see the leaderboard of how many people invest in a certain company. So most is Tesla. They also have the biggest rises, which shows you can see over a certain day. So over the last day, 4 hours, 8 hours, 7 days, 30 days, etc. So the biggest mover is Odaco Group, and they have a bit of an increase of 493 people buying it, so they're the biggest risers. Then also again the same with the biggest fallers, people basically who are selling a stock. So obviously it's going down in the number of people who own that stock. So next we'll get on to a slight little review and comparison of the two stocks. So what markets and products do they cover? So you can see they put Trading 212 and Freetrade, they both get a 1.5 star on this one. Both own pretty much the same things on here. Although just say Freetrade doesn't have a self-invested pension plan. That is something they are working on, I don't know that. So again, I'm still going to be using the Freetrade app, and there's some products that I do like. The investment, the pension sounds good, so that'll be turned to a tick soon. Junior products, no. Fractional shares, ethical investing. So pretty even on that score. Next is mobile and web features. So Trading 212 gets a 5 star on this, while Freetrade gets a 4 star. They both have desktop and web applications, iPhone app, Android app, share price notifications. So these are all basic things, really, all quite essential and needed. The learning resources, Trading 212 gets 4 stars, while Freetrade only gets a 1.5 star. Guides and information on available products, Freetrade doesn't have that. Trading 212 does. Videos and walkthrough, both of that. Demo accounts, you can basically practice before you actually invest real money. And advice is something that Freetrade do offer, but Trading 212 don't. So that's a key factor also. It'll be nice if you could have someone you could chat to on or article. I think Freetrade do a lot of articles advising you about certain stocks and markets in general, so that's good on their half. But Trading 212 still come out on top with a 4 star rating. And then the overall review, basically Freetrade gets 3.5 stars and Trading 212 gets a 4. Both 1.5 star markets and products rating, cost rating, both 5 stars. Mobile and web features rating, 4 stars for Freetrade and a 5 star for Trading 212. And then again, the 4 star rating for the learning resources and tools kit, but only 1.5 stars for Freetrade. Sorry guys, I hope you enjoyed that little analogy of both the apps, and just for me giving my general reasons why I'm joining Trading 212. So let me know what you're thinking of the video in the comments, guys. Let me know if you're thinking of switching, or if you already have done, let me know how long the process took for you, as I'm still waiting. So again, in the comments, guys, don't forget to smash a like as well. Helps the video and channel out a lot. So on that, I'll leave you to it. Take care.